national coordinator of the Obidient movement, Tanko, has affirmed the possibility of Labour Party's 2023 candidate, Peter Obi, becoming Nigeria's president in 2027. He made this statement at a one-day symposium themed Repositioning the Obidient Movement for Greater Impact, organized by the Obidient Movement and Anambra State support groups at the All Saints Cathedral Auditorium in Onitsha, Anambra State, on Saturday. Tanko disclosed that Obi has the potential to emerge as president in 2027. If we put our act together, we will have our agents prepared well before the 2027 general election, training and retraining them. Tanko also noted that electoral malpractice in the 2023 election denied Obi victory, adding that a new Nigeria is possible if the people elect the right leaders. He emphasized that a new Nigeria is possible if we start doing the right things in electing those who will lead us. We are determined to end bad governance in Nigeria by ensuring the right people are elected. During the 2023 general election, we were accused of lacking structure, yet Peter Obi won the election but was denied victory due to electoral malpractice. This time, history will not repeat itself. Even the North is dissatisfied with the current government. We will advocate for electoral reform and champion it legally and physically. We will mobilize our people on the streets and in the courts and present our proposals to the National Assembly. The Obidient movement seeks to empower Nigerian youth, advocating for meaningful change and accountability. Our mission aligns with the pursuit of good governance, justice, and equity, Tanko said. He also urged the Southeast to continue supporting the movement, calling for free and fair elections that truly represent Nigerians' interests. He added that the appointment of the Independent National Electoral Commission's chairman should be free from the president's influence to ensure independence. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.